The two officers seemed talkative. They would not notice if I'd followed them in disguise.
Fine. You already have your new clothes. Might as well use them.
Yes, of course.
Are we going? Hush! Wake up, little... Wake up, little June. Sneaky from shadow to shadow.
Huh? I heard that.
It worked!
Where are you?
Bird's voice.
Someone there?
Ooh. Stick and stab.
Hey! What's taking so long? More sake!
Got you.
Forgive me. We had to fetch another barrel.
Do I look like I care? When we call, you come running. Understand?
Right.
Yes,
Shh.
of course.
Oh, that's easy. The fox is hunting. Silent step. The light hates us. Wake up, little knife. Stick and stab.
Hey! What's taking so long? More sake!
Oh, lovely tune. Don't step in the spider's nest.
We had to fetch another barrel.
Sneaky fox.
Do I look like I care? When we call, you come running. Understand?
Yes.
No one will miss it. Yes?
Night dog. Yes.
Bird's voice.
Hey! What's taking so long? More sake!
Coming. Yes, still works. Nasty surprise. Hey, where's little Wake up, little June. This is
Who goes there?
such a good trap.
Assassins!
The light hates us. Yes, still works. Lovely tune. Nasty surprise. Right. Shh.
I heard
I
that.
can do that.
Night.
Such a good trap.
Murder!
From shadow to shadow. Yes, Still. Nasty surprise. This is no. Wake up, little June.
Someone there?
Such a good trap.
Something. Murder!
The night is our ally. The music starts. A plan in motion. An elegant solution. The art of conversation. Apologies. My thanks. Farewell. My word. My lord?
Aye.
Sneaky fox.
A question, if I may.
The fox is hunting.
I did not know that.
The light hates us.
Fire's done. Not well.
May I ask another question?
Oh. Yes.
Please tell me more. I thank you.
It's a pleasure. Someone was careless with the lamp.
Was it nothing important?
Easily hidden.
Intruders! Making noise.
Please, just chick away. Light's gone out.
They can't see me.
Cannot
Coming.
Another question, if I
Sneaky
may.
fox. Silent steps.
Shadows obscure.
Night.
The art of conversation. I thank you.
Farewell.
Move with the shadows.
Burning.
The music starts. On Kandashi.
That feeling.
Use the darkness. Gift of expression. Apologies. You are most kind.
Finally.
My word. My lord,
What? I am busy.
I have a question. My thanks. Farewell.
Took long enough.
The art. Forgive me.
The night likes us.
A
Shadow to
question,
shadow,
if I may.
rat's tooth.
Kandashi. Avoid the light's touch. Use the darkness.
shadow. Wake up, little tune.
Do I look like I care?
Lovely
When we
tune.
call, you come running. Understand?
Yes, of course.
Shh, quiet.
Someone there?
The fox is hunting. Bird's voice.
I will find you. Who's making noise?
Ooh. Stick and stab.
Red leaves, morning snow.
Cats and birds. Oh, that's easy.
The night will be our ally. Move with the shadows.
Night's dawn.
A plan in motion. Move with the shadows. The gift of expression. Forgive me,
The night
I am
bites us.
embarrassed to ask, but
Hush!
please continue.
Yes. Wake up, little tune.
I heard
From
that.
shadow to
Please
shadow.
tell me more.
What?
Such a good trap. Coming. Got you.
Ah, that reminds me.
Oh. This.
Silence is our ally, easily hidden. Subtlety. Please continue.
What?
Please tell me more.
How can I help you?
Easily hidden. Avoid the light's touch.
Hush. Slip past the light. Huh. Rat's tooth. No. Sneaky. Slip past the light. Let's be sneaky. Wake up, little knife. The fox is hunting. I saw a way. Where is it? Rat's tooth. Thief. Stick and stab. Shh, quiet. Soft soles. Not like this. Jump. Oh, that's climb. Easy.
Shadows obscure. On my way. A plan in motion. It will be done. My words will draw their apologies. I have a question.
Yes?
I did not know that. Please, continue.
What?
Another question, if I may.
Oh,
Sneaky sneaky fox.
yes.
Please tell me more.
This is fun.
What?
Right. Shh.
This is how I like it.
Ah, that
My
reminds
kind
me.
of work. Use the night.
Oh,
Move
is that
like
so?
water.
What's taking so long? More sake!
May I ask another question?
Yes?
I'm going in.
Please tell me more.
What?
Oh, is that so?
Oh,
Better avoid the lights.
yes.
A blade in the dark.
Another question, if I may.
Shuriken jutsu.
We must show prudence. Kandashi, use the darkness. Ah, that reminds me.
How can I help you?
May I ask another question? You are... A drop of blood.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Light's our enemy. Stick to the shadows. Like a wolf in the night. Yeah.
Look. The stars are out. The night likes us. I can do that.
I work best at night. I'm ready. No noise. Quiet. I'm waiting. Stick to the shadows. Matchlocks ready.
They can't see me. Ooh, so sharp. That's a good trick. Oh, coiled up like a
One with the shadows. Shuriken, ready. Shuriken jutsu. My kind of work.
What's that?
Like a shadow.
No!
Reloading. Don't get too cocky. Got it. Low visibility. Perfect. 最新的許容.
The light hates us.
My blade is sharp. Skill over numbers.
Cats and birds.
Move with the shadows.
Hey! What's taking so long? More sake!
Guards!
A remedy for watchful eyes. The
Always ready.
From shadow to shadow.
Hey! What's taking so long? More sake!
Sneak, this is fun. That's a good trick. Thieves in the night.
Do I look
Silent
like
steps.
I care?
Wake
When
up,
we
little
call,
trap.
You come running.
Lovely
Understand?
tune.
Yes, of course.
Nasty surprise.
Who is this? Please, come
Coming.
out.
Sneaky fox. No. No. Good night.
Halt! Hey! What's taking so long? More sake!
I work best at shadows.
The night likes us.
Forgive
I can
me.
do that.
We had to fetch another barrel.
Thieves in the night.
They must not
Look
see
like I
us.
care. When we call, you come running. Understand?
Yes, of course.
Cats and birds. This is fun. Lovely tune.
My blade is sharp. A blade in the dark.
Here. Wake up, little tune.
Who is this?
Hey! What's
We
taking
have
so
the
long?
advantage. The dance begins.
One with a blade in the dark.
So many. I can do that.
Forgive me. We had to fetch another barrel.
Do I look like
Oh,
I
that's
care?
easy.
When we call, you come running. Understand?
Yes, of course.
Lovely tune. Yes, still works. Right. Bird's voice.
Who hides in the shadows?
Slip past the light. It worked. Hush. No one will miss it. Yes? Lovely tune. Wake up, little trap.
Hey! What's taking so long?
Bird's voice.
More sake!
Nasty
Who
surprise.
goes there?
Wake up, little knife.
Forgive me.
Coming.
We had to fetch another.
You won't
Wants to
escape!
be coming.
Forgive me. We had to
Wake up,
fetch another
little
barrel.
trap.
Do I
Birds
look like
voice.
I care? When we call,
Nasty
you
surprise.
come running. Understand?
Someone there.
Of course.
The fox is hunting. Sneaky. Lovely tune. Oh, coiled up like a snake.
My blade is sharp like a shadow. A blade in the dark.
Sneaky fox. Wake up, little tune.
Hey, what's taking so long? More sake!
Who's making noise?
Slowly.
Forgive me. We had to fetch.
Low visibility. Are you shuriken?
Do I look like I care? Call.
What?
My kind of work. Don't see how.
Are we going?
Yes, of course.
No one. How? That's a good trick. Lovely tune.
Hey, what's taking so long?
Who goes
More
there?
sake!
I see.
Hush. Lovely tune. This is fun.
Who's making noise?
Go on, try and
Try
strike
to
me!
run.
Hush. The fox is hunting. Lovely tune. Bird's voice. Let's be sneaky. Soft.
Hey, what's taking so long? More sake!
Forgive me. We had to fetch another.
Saishin the curious shadow.
Do I look like I care?
Quiet.
When we call, you come running.
Die, you
Understand?
scum!
I'm waiting. Like a shadow.
Oh, so exciting.
Forgive me. We had to fetch another barrel.
Do I look like I care? When we call, you
Don't
come
get too
running.
cocky.
Understand?
Use the night.
Yes, of course.
No noise. Quiet. Shuriken jutsu.
What's taking so long? More sake! Understand?
Yes, of course.
The night likes us. The fox is hunting. Coming.
Hey, what's taking so long? More sake!
Forgive me. We had to fetch another barrel.
No use waiting.
Do I
I'll cause a distraction.
When we call, you come running. Understand?
Yes, of course.
A blade in the dark.
They can't see me. Oh, that's easy.
Something. Wind killed the flame.
Now you see me.
Something. Nothing important.
Shuriken ready. Stick to the shadows. Got it. Shuriken ready.
Not worth
I never miss. Let's make some noise.
Must
No noise.
I heard something.
someone has been careless with
Are you like a wolf in the night?
Assassin!
This is my.
Something. Not
Cats and Wake up, little June.
Who is this?
Soft souls.
what?
Lovely. Now?
Careless.
No, not yet. Rats too.
Anyone here?
I'm going in. Stick to the shadows.
Not worth it.
Slowly. Wake up, little June.
Someone there?
Something. That light should be burning. Nothing important.
Rats too.
I like to be coconut men.
Right, slowly. Wake up, little June.
Nothing important.
The light
Someone
hates
there?
us.
That light should be
Yes.
I got you.
That light should be burning.
Yes.
Not
Lovely tune. Hush.
Who's making
Coming.
noise?
Let's get to work.
intruder. Something. Not worth
Wake up, little June.
Someone there?
Sneaky fox.
What's that? The light's gone.
Rats too.
The wind killed the flame.
Hey!
Stick
what's
and
taking
stab.
so long? More sake!
I can do that.
Forgive me. We had to fetch another barrel.
Do I look like I care? When we call, you come running. Understand?
Yes, of course.
Look. The stars are out. From shadow to shadow. Hush!
What's killing?
Ugh!
Are you hiding somewhere?
Time to move. Genjutsu. Use the night.
Hey! What's taking so long? More sake!
Silence is our ally. On my way.
Forgive me. We had to fetch another barrel.
Do I look like I care?
No one to
When
be
we call, you come running. Understand?
Yes, of course.
One left.
Ah, it's the...
Hey,
I can see you got it.
Yes, of course.
this is how I like it.
Light is our enemy. A plan in motion. Use the darkness.
Skill over numbers.
Something.
The light went out.
Let's get going. Like a wolf in the night. Move like water.
What's
One left.
Sake?
My kind of work.
Forgive me. We
A
had to
blade in the
fetch another
dark.
barrel.
Do I
Yeah.
look like I care? When we call, you come running. Understand?
Leave my post.
Yes, of course.
A subtle bow, elegant solution. A quiet gesture.
Hey, what's taking so long? More sake!
I will remain unseen. Move with the shadows.
Forgive me. We had to fetch another barrel.
Do I look like I care? When we call,
Avoid the light's
you come
touch.
running. Understand?
On my way.
Yes, of course.
It will be done. The music starts. This information is vital. Let us find a safe spot and discuss what we've learned.
Don't get too cocky. Better
Oh
avoid
yes,
the
I
lights.
understand. Yes.
I'm waiting. Quiet.
Right. Soft souls.
Let's get to work. I work best at night. I'm ready.
Are we all here?
Here.
Easy, Yuki.
It appears General Okoto is here himself. He is having a word with the village elder.
Let's listen in. He'll tell us his plans.
I agree. Let us seize this opportunity. If we can get close, and with the disguise, they will not know who I am.
How's this? You use your disguise. I stick to the shadows. Let's see who gets the mark.
Let us focus on the task at hand, Hayato-san. We can play your childish games when our mission is done.
Yes, of course.
Almost time.
The night is our ally. The dance begins.
The men have another hour to enjoy themselves.
out of sight.
We will win glory and honor for Kage-sama.
Subtlety.
Any peasant who fails to obey will be executed. We will take all the rice from your granaries, and also your oxen. See that it is done.
These peasants, they will not survive the year.
If they wanted to eat, they should have joined our cause. The mighty Kage-sama has ordered that we take the city of Kanazawa tomorrow. I want the men well fed.
I will instruct the officers to give out extra rations.
Kanazawa Castle will be our bulwark against the wrath of the Shogun. Once it is ours, we will hold it until Kage-sama arrives with his army. I do not care.
Now we know Okoto's and Kage-sama's plans.
Kanazawa City.
This must reach Noboru-sama as soon as possible. Let us steal a raft, head downriver, and make for Noboru's camp.
For once, I agree. Let's head to the piers.
Finally.
An elegant landing.
My blade is sharp.
Here.
Any
My
peasant
God.
who fails to obey will be executed.
My Goth.
I do not care.
Now we know Okoto's and Kage-sama's plans.
Kanazawa City.
This must reach Noboru-sama as soon as possible. Let us steal a raft, head downriver, and make for Noboru's camp.
For once, I agree. Let's head to the piers.
Oh, finally.
Wait.
What now?
It would be wise to follow the general and learn more about his plans. I will hide among his entourage as a concubine.
Good idea. But your plan's too risky. Take the raft. I'll follow them at a distance.
Will you hide atop the nearest mountain and read their lips from there?
Why not both of you? Two's better than one.
No, Yuki-chan. One of us must inform Lord Noboru.
Aiko-san, I can do it.
This is an urgent matter. Too important to leave it in the hands of a child.
I am not a child. I'll get there in time.
Hey, she's right. Let her go.
Very well. But I must stress how important this message is. Do not fail me in this, child.
Hi, Aiko-san.
All right. Let us begin.